The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Yeah, my people. Yeah, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, you know, and these things, I consider them as some serious issues. You see? Now, first things first, I'm going to present a video to you to bring an awareness when it comes down to a type of scamming. See? Yeah, you have some persons who will walk around with fake documents or documents that don't belong to them and they try to collect money under false pretense. You see me? Yeah, that's a type of scamming. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if this video shows any signs or any proof of scamming. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look and listen with me. Observe carefully.
Look, watch this now, you know. Are you in Hector?
Listen.
This, whatever this is, I don't know what this is. See? Watch this one. No, man, nobody take it from me, man. Don't take. Well, no, man. Nobody take it from me, man. Because you what me not like with someone on the bridge. You see, when you now come to people and even say, yo, me couldn't come ask them for some work or whatever. You come with some liquor style. Because you take that envelope there a while ago and tear it up. Because you have a legitimate business address on it. And then it is addressed to the manager of Pure Group Limited and the Ray and the thing and whatever. See? To make it look like it come from a legitimate business.
Yeah.
See? Well on, man. Oh, me done. You see me, I try to avoid from me and you have something serious in my morning. Yeah.
What?
No, watch this now, you know. I try to show now on the stage. You must say I have this thing, you know, some donation thing and Ray and the thing. You tell me say somebody from over there so recommend you to me and Ray and the thing and whatever. And something una have and Ray. Now you have the Rivera Insurance Agency pan envelope. Through you see me start for research, you take it from here, you tear it up. Then now pan yes or no, this is Anne's infant school. This is somebody's stamp. Right? This is somebody's company stamp.
Yeah.
Right? You have pan this. Completely contrary to what upon the envelope a while ago. Brother, let me tell you something. My neighbor gonna try to put your face in that something here. See, but you see this way I do? Mind somebody fuck your face. Take a walk.
You hear the things then where the man point out to the person you can hear in the video? Eh? Some form of document in a that, what you call that? You know, in a them bungle of papers there. Addressed to a manager of a company or a manager. You see me and say my people? And then now that person walk around with that document and basically I ask for money under false pretense. Now, my people, tell me if that's not scamming. Yeah, tell me if that's not scamming. I know one thing what really and truly bother me too is that you have some persons who we look at you and say, oh, man a scammer, like a something proud. Eh? Yes, me agree, say scamming, you know, some persons might consider scamming not to be as harsh as violence, but as still crime. See? So people, tell me if that video shows any evidence of scamming. In my point of view, I think that video shows some form of evidence of scamming. And the person there, with them bag of thing they walk up and down, if it not nothing to do with him, you better put it down. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a certain location somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows a confrontation between civilians and the police officers from within the country of Jamaica. According to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that persons who was at that location when the video had been recorded accused the police officers we can see in the video of assaulting at least one person and harassment. In the video, you can hear yelling and shouting, and in the video, you can hear when a certain amount of harsh language had been used. One of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about the situation shown in the video. Alright? Now, I'm going to present the video to you, but this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
The man lock in place already. The man place lock already. The
man place lock already. Yeah, me say, man place lock already. I me say. Man place lock already, brother. Man place lock already. I fuck with style and I got. I me say, and who there as a witness? Man place lock already. I me say, who there as a witness? I me say, man place lock already. When I can harass the man for? Man place lock already. I can harass the man for? Man place lock already. What you harass the man for? You not can see man place lock. Man place lock, brother. When I can beat up a man, brother. Fuck you not going with. What me say? I'll be there too, you know. Yeah. I say, I'll be there too. Because man place lock. The man place lock and you come and fight the man. The man place lock. Man style and got better, man place lock. The man place lock up. What me say? The man place lock up. What me say? The man place lock up. Couldn't go on with. What me say? Like people that eat like we don't have no sense. The man place lock up.
Yo, boss, easy, boss. Yo, I'm taking my phone first.
Let me say, man place lock you come and violate the man.
Straight arrest, man, and a man.
Arrest who? Arrest the man for what? Arrest the man for what? Arrest the man for what?
You go stop it. You go stop it.
Here. You can't tell me nothing. Show two. We have video everything tonight. Let me say. Man, no respect. But in alarm, man, no respect. Let me say, and we have this. We have publishing. Let me say. Let me say. Phone should not go on with. Phone should not go on with. Let me say. And the man place lock up, brother.
Police say
Wrong. Wrong. Man place lock up and you want to come beat up a man. Let me say. Man place lock up and you want to beat up a man. Come tell man. Let me say. Me mark your face, you know, me I report you. Remember? I report you. The man bar lock. Let me say. The man bar lock. Let me say. You come find. Let me say. See there, that badge was 21350. Me have them.
I for him badge of it.
Me take you all of them badge. Me take you all of them badge. Let me say. Me take you all of them badge. Nobody can tell me no man no wrong. You no come beat up the man. And I can't wave gun off of me. Me video you know. I can't tell me no. Me video my wave gun off of me. You see me? Don't know I can beat up a man after a man lock up in place. Alright. What you mean say right and the man lock up in place? They're wrong. The man place lock. What you mean say not right? Come like your junk, you know, no bumbo clad sense to brother. You know no sense the man place lock. And you want a man to walk back in place. What you want the man to walk back in place for? Because you want the man to walk back in place for give man summons. You want the man to walk back in place for give man summons. That's why you want the man to walk back in place. Like you think the man an idiot. What me say?
Where liar?
Babin, come on, brother. Man, I want the man to walk back in place for charge the man to blood. And the man place lock already. The police are wicked. The man place lock and I want the man walk back in place for charge the man. You don't want to walk back in man place. What they are say everything will happen? What me say? What me say?
I'm not going to harass people innocent. I'm not going to sit down. I have on the station. Father, so tell us on the station.
Really, them thing they go on?
Sit down, can you pass for the road every night, every day?
My people, me really and truly have wonder if I really are them thing they are going on. I mean, one, me should have said. Me have to really wonder my people. Do you know? So it's like one, well, me not gonna say one, but at least one person, me here has said some things that gave me the understand that that person has said the police want the businessman or the man for open back a bar. Cause me hear the word bar, you know. See, so it seems like a business place. You know my people, this really set away. It's really set away. Them accuse the police of assault and harassment. Tell me what you think, yeah, my people. Anyways, next topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to bring an awareness when it comes on to a picture posted different places on social media with wrong information. The picture that I'm talking about shows a person, and the picture had been posted different places on social media claiming to show a person who is involved in a gang feud that resulted in an incident where gunmen opened fire at a motor vehicle and 6 persons was in that motor vehicle, and at the time when I got the information, it is said that 3 persons died and 3 had been injured at the time when I got the information. And that incident happened within the month of January, the year 2022, within Trelawney, Jamaica. So I say, people, now there's a picture circulating on social media with wrong information about that incident. I am not going to put up that person's picture because in my point of view, I think it is just wrong overall. That's why I don't post anyone picture, but me I bring an awareness to the situation. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Someone else also sent me, or someone else, I should say, also tell me about another picture. Right? But me not talk about that picture there, right? Me know say that picture there out there with some form of wrong information, but this picture is out there more with wrong information. And that person shown in the picture don't have nothing to do with that incident. So me not post the person picture, but me just I'm gonna know. So just in case if you hear about that triple murder thing that happened in Trelawney, Jamaica, sometime within the month of January the year 2022, just know say Dancehall Skilla give you some form of information about a picture when it comes on to that situation. Because the picture not have nothing, or the person in the picture not have nothing to do with that situation. See? And you see, the thing is, viewers and subscribers, when me Dancehall Skilla bring correct information, sometimes you have some persons who will bash me Dancehall Skilla for that, you know. You understand me? Yeah, we try to bring information accurate. I remember one time someone posted a video on social media and said that an incident happened within the country of Jamaica. And when I made a video about the same incident, viewers and subscribers, my information, which is accurate, shows that the incident happened within a Caribbean island, but not Jamaica. You see me? I say, yeah, Antigua. Yeah, the incident they happened in Antigua, not Jamaica. You see me? And then sometime after that, now, me start to get some form of bash, and the person, you know, some form of true word thing and all them things. Me, Dancehall Skilla, I'm not up for those kind of things. Correct information me deal with. And when me I do my thing just to give the right information. If I don't know something, me I tell you something I don't know. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Anyways, my people, I just something I gotta left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Who no big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.